Apache. We have right here Apache. Then we have our bin. Or I believe it will be web apps. Inside web apps, we have our ECM. After that, you see, we have web and I create. Hit enter. You see inside that we have. Let me just one maybe. And inside this one we have. I hate it. Okay, so this is your whole location. Okay. So the location path is, we are looking for this message. .properties file. Okay. This message, .properties file. If you do any changes, I'll show you what changes we can do it. Right. So what is the location? Let me copy this location. So this is your location. If I go back, let me copy this file. Let me see. With the winners to be more download or not. So already been installed. Okay. So let me connect to the winners. If you try to grab that file. 186. 56. Not 101. Okay. And give the username root. Route 123 and open it. So let's try to establish the connection. So what is the file we're trying to eat? So it was inside your route. Or base root directory. It was OPT. Then I pass a tomcat. Right. See your web apps inside your pubs. We had ECM folder under the same. It is web and F. And under web and F you have gray lab. Right. And I ate in this file message.properties. So this was the file which we edited. Now, if you try to grab the file to a local location, just go to the desktop. And just copy it. Okay. So we got this file here. Now let's come back, okay. Close this one. If you try to open the file now, go to the desktop. Message.properties. Right-click Edit with Notepad++. OK. So here you see, all the label is configured in this file. How you can? How do you get to know which file I need to configure? If I go back here right to my save and window. How I'll do? I'll go to admin. Click on this 3 button. Open the user. Right. In open any of the user. OK. And after opening that, if you go to other attribute, let's say I see a custom property, 1, right? I just wanted to rename this attribute custom property 1. So this is coming under your users. Right. Let me go back to that file again. Message.properties right. So you will be seeing right account. Like that you have users. Will be there. That means I'm changing from you. Just start custom property. Okay. 1. Even on the cloud version, I know. Yeah, I'm from a concrete on the Tomcat. But here on the cloud version we have access to the putting servers. No, that it won't be there, because in this version, what we have, right? It is not properly viewing right. That's why I'm showing you in the back end. So, basically, if you wanted to change it, we can update in the UI itself. And later. Yes, you can update up to some version, not up to the extended one. What I mean? You cannot change everything in the UI. That is not possible. So you are some of the like what I show you now. Right, you can change this custom property level the way I showed you, right? You can go to sub rule. Okay, open the rule on this guy. I mean assign one user or yourself. Then only you see, there is a pane. Icon will come and click on that and edit it. So this custom property, one value, you can edit it. But that is sum up to some extent. You cannot go ahead and change any child entitlement of child and tandem. That is not possible for me, because in UI all this file or all this label are not exposed for you. So that's why you cannot view it from here. Okay. So just to show you, to make you things properly, that it is coming from this file. Only I'm showing you, and yeah, if you need a conversion how we request the file and changes. If you want to label them, do we need to contact the service? Support itself. You have to raise a request right. Like, I have a access certification or I have a campaign. Okay, inside that campaign. This attribute. I need to change it. So they will be accepting your ticket. They will be reaching out to the DevOps team or themselves. They will raise a request or get access for your emergency rule. They will get access for 2 to 3 hours to the database and they can grab this file and change it for you. And once the change is done, they will inform you. So that is how the proper real changes happen, right in the back end, or it is done by your save entity. Okay. So this uses a scope or custom property, or let me go ahead. And you see how you come to know, this is the place where I did change it, that you think you can configure or confirm. Once you go to the user other attribute you see in the other attribute how many attribute we have up to custom property 65, right? So just come down and see, do you see up to 65 custom property attribute here or not? Then only you will come to know. Yeah, this is the perfect location where I need to change it. So you see, 49 is there right? Up to 49, or what I can do. Let me copy the label here. Find it give OK. 65 level. Custom property, 65 and custom properties value is 65. Now search it OK. Okay, it's not giving here. You just text, custom property, 65. Level. So up to 49 it is. I don't think so. This is the correct one. Or let me search it if I found any other instance. Okay, only one is there.